Hello, everybody. Thank you all so much, all of you, for coming out today for this wonderful ribbon cutting for this great addition to McKee Farms Park. My name is Brandon, and I'm the Director of Partnerships Events for the Fitchburg Chamber of Commerce, and I am excited to introduce you to our mayor, Mayor Julia, who's going to say a few words.
Hi everyone, hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to today's event, and I want to thank all of you for being here, and also to thank to Mike Thorson and Ned Hoyt with Venture Capital for your generous donation. This donation has a value of almost $100,000, and it's a FitCore Extreme that has 8 stations for those who enjoy a challenging circuit training adventure. And it's not me, I'm sorry. Mike and Ned are also both Fitchburg residents and have invested more than $100 million in redevelopment effort in the North Fish Hatchery Corridor. So I want to say thank you guys for continuing investing in Fitchburg, and also because they are great community partners. So I also want to thank the Craft Construction and the Parks Department for the installation of this equipment here. So thank you very much, and also I will ask Mike Thorson to come to say some words.
Yes, hi, I'm Mike Thorson. I'm with Venture Capital, and we are proud to have worked with the city to donate this fitness equipment for the enjoyment of residents of Fitchburg and people who come and visit McKee Farms Parks. The fitness equipment behind you has a long and storied history that started out at a different project completely. It was not very well received by a different municipality, and we started looking for a home for it about 4 years ago. And speaking with Mike Zimmerman, previous Mayor Richardson, and with Julia, we finally decided that Fitchburg would like this equipment. We think it is a wonderful kind of addition. It is not your normal equipment. It is extreme ninja warrior fitness course equipment. So it's not what you typically see in a park, but Fitchburg is a very outdoorsy, very physically fit community, and so we thought it would be appropriate to bring it to this community, and it would get a lot of use in this park in particular. I would like to thank the mayor, thank Mike Zimmerman, and I would like to thank Scott Patterson, who is here on behalf of CREP. They have been our partners in this journey, the odyssey to bring it from the Guyver Apartments here to Fitchburg for everyone to see. To the Parks Department as well, thank you so much for accepting our gift and putting it somewhere where it's going to get some use. Let's cut the ribbon.
3, 2, 1.
Without further ado, we're going to do a demo. We have a volunteer, Trent, here. Number one, we've got the rope climb, up, boom, bang the bell. Ready? On your mark, set, go. You got this. All right, here we go, here we go. Yep, looking good. Boom. Now, we have the ledge hanger. This is the hardest of all of them by far. You can choose your level of difficulty. Up to the yellows and over across is medium. Green across the bottom is the easiest. On your mark, get set, go. If you can do the red, you're going to be on the Ninja Warrior. Well, you can probably do green because you can just walk along the ground. There we go. All right, fantastic. Moving on, here we've got quintuple steps, easiest one on the course. On your mark, get set, go. Boom, 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 boom. Now we've got the globe grasp, second most difficult. Across on the globes. Oh, piece of cake. We need a short. Moving it around, the A-frame cargo net. This is just like your boot camp in the Army. Up the top, over and down. Moving it on, unstable bridge. Again, another upper body core. Going across. And a jump. Oh! All right, another hard one. Wheel bridge, probably the third hardest. Although the monkey bars for the kids, this one's easy. And the second easiest, or No, probably not the second easiest. Third hardest. Here we go. Spider walk all the way across. Ready, go. And we have our new course record.